Creating ad hoc crews is a painful, error-prone, and time-consuming process. Here we have 3 crew tasks. Let's select the first one to review the old way. We can review the resource requirements for this crew task. We need a supervisor, a forklift operator, and an HVAC technician. See how the dispatcher manually creates the crew. He spends his time searching for, identifying the agents and equipment to create the crew. First, we select the crew leader, and then we find and add the appropriate members that have the right skills. Our forklift operator and our HVAC technician. And lastly, we add the necessary available equipment. And here you can see the resulting crew assignments. That's the old process as of Utah, but we've significantly enhanced the process. Now in Vancouver, we've completely automated the crew creation process itself, allowing dispatchers to focus on other critical activities. Let's look at this next task and the resources that are required. Similar to before, a supervisor, forklift operator, and an HVAC technician. Let's change the date to Monday so you can better see what's happening. With the Vancouver release, I can select Auto Assign from the task, and a new crew is created for the task. And upon confirmation, the results are updated on the dispatcher workspace. And further, drilling into the record that's assigned shows the expected updated data, the actual assignments for this task. So, one last time, we can do it again, this time for simply a crew with no equipment requirements. In fact, the only requirements are for 2 warm bodies, no special skills needed. Again, we select Auto Assign and see the results reflected on the dispatcher workspace. And that's how we support dynamic scheduling of crews in the Vancouver release.